Spreadsheets are a common and versatile tool used to present information. You may be familiar with budgeting or project management spreadsheets, but there are many different ways to use them. You might use a spreadsheet to organize information, such as travel expenses or a shopping list. Create a tracker to manage the people and tasks for a project. Or keep a log of grades or assignments in school or sales and invoices in a small business. It's possible to use a pen and paper to record similar information, but with a digital spreadsheet, you can easily keep track of a lot of information, analyze, filter, and sort the data, and make difficult calculations quickly. When compiling data for a spreadsheet, you may add the information yourself, take it from an existing document, or use another source. Or you can download data from a computer application or website directly into a spreadsheet. Many programs will do this for you automatically. Creating a spreadsheet from an app helps you compile large amounts of data, ensure accuracy, and frequently update the spreadsheet when more data is available. In this lesson, you will use a spreadsheet of data from fundraiser sales. At this community fundraiser, people bought t-shirts and volunteers kept track of how many shirts were purchased and what styles and designs they chose. Similar survey data might be collected with the form in other scenarios, such as responses to a customer satisfaction questionnaire or feedback on a new business practice. In this example, the responses were downloaded into a spreadsheet so the data could be viewed in detail and more easily compared. To complete this lesson, you will use the data from the fundraiser sales in a spreadsheet. You will make a copy of the spreadsheet with the data, update headers so they are more meaningful, add borders between sections, and resize columns to make the information easier to read. Then, you will organize your spreadsheet by adding limits to what values can be entered in each cell and sorting the data. Customizing your sheet by formatting, editing, and organizing makes it more visually appealing and easier for a team of collaborators to use. While you might not use sales data in your work, the skills in this lesson will prepare you to manage complex spreadsheets for many future tasks. This lesson uses Google Sheets, but you can apply these concepts in any spreadsheet application. To work on this lesson, sign into your Google account. Open a new tab in your browser and navigate to google.com. If you are not signed in, do so now. If you do not have a Google account, pause the video and create one. To begin, open the Starter project and make a copy of the spreadsheet. Remove the words "copy of" and add your name to the title. Now, it's your turn. Sign into your Google account, make a copy of the Starter project, and update the title.